Okay, and the last but not the least category is your advanced diploma, which is postgrad diploma program. So for this particular program, what we're looking at is your college diploma or university degree. If you take a college diploma, it needs to be at least 2 years. If you take a university degree, it needs to be at least 4 years. So unfortunately, we cannot take we cannot take every institution. We can only take institution and program if that institution and program is recognized by the Ministry of Education. Majority of the Vietnamese university and colleges should be okay because I know here you must have government approval to set up those institutions. But nowadays, a lot of students go overseas to study their high school, study their university. Just bear in mind to check your institution before applying, because unfortunately not every institution and every program we are able to take as the credential for advanced diploma application. And also English requirement for postgrad program is the same, varies by program, range from 6.0 to 6.5. Another requirement for postgrad is pay attention to what program you apply. In Red River College, other than one program, International Business, this program does not require field of study. For example, if you study English, if you study business, if you study engineering, you can all apply this program, International Business. However, our other postgrad programs such as Information Security, Technology Management, those programs, they actually require your university degree and the college diploma is from the relevant field. For that information, check our website. Our website has very detailed information. So in general, at River College, we have 3 intakes each year, which is January, May, and September. September is our biggest intake. We have majority of our programs start at that intake. After that is January, selective program will start in January. The smallest intake is May, but our English program has all 3 start dates. If you're interested in applying, we actually do not have any cutoff for application. So we now have a pure electronic application procedure. So you can submit your application online, uploading all the requirement online, and for that reason, our seat becomes very popular. We open 2 years availabilities on the website. So always double check the availability before making applications and match a suitable start date and match a suitable study plan for yourself. In general, for the admission process, what you should be expecting. First of all, talk to a counselor to identifying your study goal and also the program that you want to apply. Once you have finalized a study plan, start your application online. Electronic procedure, create an account, submit information, and also pay the application fee. At the moment, application fee is 120 Canadian dollar. Once you pay the fee and submit the application, you will be receiving an auto-replied email confirming receiving of your application. After that, you have 30 days time window to upload all the required documents to the website. So document you should be prepared for any average application. General information, not specific, is a copy of your passport. If you have a visitor visa to Canada, please upload that. If you already have a study permit to study in Canada, please include that. But if you don't have it, don't worry. As long as you have the proper documentation, immigration documentation, your valid study permit before starting date of your program, that should be okay. And the third document you need to prepare is your language requirement. You need to provide a copy of your IELTS score or copy of your TOEFL score or any other test that we recognize. And the next is your high school transcript and your high school diploma. So if your high school transcript and high school diploma are in Vietnamese, please also make sure to attach the certified English translation together with the document. And the last but not the least is your university transcript and your university diploma. The same, if document are in Vietnamese, please make sure to attach the certified English translation as well. And another thing, it doesn't happen quite often, but sometimes the student change the name. And if the name change reflecting on your document, Also, you need to prepare the photocopy of the official name change document. If the document is in Vietnamese, attach the English translation. So after you have uploaded all the required documents, we will start the assessment. Assessment roughly will take 2 to 4 weeks to reach a result. If you are eligible for your study, our admission officer will notify you to pay the tuition deposit. The tuition deposit required is 1,100 Canadian dollar, and unfortunately this money is non-refundable and non-transferable. So the only condition this payment can be refunded to you is if you intended to study, but unfortunately you received study permit rejection. By showing study permit rejection, we are able to refund the money back to you. Or each student can defer to the next available intake once by showing study permit rejection. So after the payment is confirmed, the official letter of acceptance will be sent to you through your email, and you can work with your counselor to start your visa application. 2 months before the program start date, you need to prepare another 6,500 tuition deposit and deposit to the school. This portion is transferable and refundable. 1 month before the program start date, you need to confirm your study permit. Last but not the least, when you come to school to study, please make sure to bring all the original document, the Vietnamese version, English certified version, to our school for verification. So I think that's the end of our presentation, and thank you very much for your attention. Hopefully we do see you in Redbird College. Thank you.